It's very important to have the right tool for the job, whether that's as simple as a wrench or the trucks that we have or the software that we use to provide troubleshooting or any of the work that we do day in and day out.
As the fleet manager for Vestas, I interact with the site managers of our over 250 sites and make sure that they have what they need. I also work with some of the senior operations managers as far as planning what the fleet is going to need to look like as we grow in the future. Vestas is one of the largest producers of wind turbines on the planet. We also have been judged the most sustainable company in the energy sector. Our goal is to be completely carbon neutral by 2030 without any offsets. One of the ways that we're doing that is working to reduce our carbon emissions throughout our fleet operations. One of the things that we needed to have to make that transition was a truck. We needed to have something that could handle rough terrain and haul a bunch of stuff around at the same time. Once Ford got into producing the F-150 Lightning, it seemed like a really good choice for us. Our fleet in North America right now is about 1,850 vehicles. Currently, 5% of that is electric vehicles, but after we bring the rest of the Ford Lightning into our fleet, we're going to be able to bump that figure up to 20%.
Here at site, we service and maintain our towers. We go up, we clean them, make sure they are good to go.
It's very important to have a durable, dependable vehicle to get you to and from that tower. The Ford Lightning fits in with our day-to-day operations. We can get the truck loaded with the service equipment that we need to service or troubleshoot our towers. At night, we can plug them in, charge them, they're ready to go.
We make renewable energy, and it's nice to be able to use that renewable energy to power our vehicles that we use on a daily basis.
There are a number of advantages just aside from the environmental considerations. One of the big ones is it is much less expensive to recharge an EV than it is to fuel a truck, and there are a lot fewer pieces that require maintenance. So that reduces downtime, keeps folks working, keeps everything flowing. As we worked with Ford and got to know the Ford Pro products that they offered as well, it seemed like it would be a really good fit for us. We did receive a bunch of the Ford Pro chargers, so we're installing those across our network. We're looking forward to having some of the visibility and controls that the Ford Pro software offers us. These are going to help us track and monitor the health status of the vehicles as well as the charging status and just give us a good overall picture of what's going on with our fleet.
We're always looking for better ways to be more effective, efficient.
Our new F-150 Lightning are really nice and practical for us because we are able to put our equipment in the front. You can actually fit more in there than you think. It's a dry storage, so you don't have to worry about the weather getting in there and rusting your tools out or corroding your parts.
One of the things the technicians were most excited about was Pro Power on board. The fact that they can power their tools from the truck without having to deal with a generator is something that we're really looking forward to being able to do. Getting the newer vehicles into the fleet is going to enable us to have a lot more data about the operation of the vehicles and how they impact our site operations as well. We will have one unified system where we'd have all the information about the vehicles, their health, their charging performance, how they're being used, and that would really lighten the workload.
It's nice to have that family atmosphere and that teamwork to ensure that we're being effective, we're being efficient, and doing the things that we need to do to provide renewable energy for our customers.
I really enjoy working with Vestas. I'm inspired to be able to do something every day that makes the world a better place.